Hey guys, Jarod down here with Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used and Rig Ready Approved. And today we're going to be taking a walk around this beautiful brand new 2026 Ram 2500 Laramie, guys. So this one's going to have the 6.7 Cummins turbo diesel underneath the hood with that ZF8 transmission. You can see that beautiful black on black with the Night Edition. Adaptive cruise control on this one, tow hooks, parking sensors, tow mirrors with your mirror lights here, keyless entry on this one, guys. Taking a look around here, so you're going to have your beautiful 12-inch display in there, all-weather mats, leather seats, nice and easy for you. Take a look inside the rear seat here, where these will lift up, giving you guys some extra room underneath here on that side, as well as you have your speaker here. All-weather mats again. 4 different charging ports, guys, along with an outlet for you. Come around this way here, backup camera already on there for you. A nice frozen tailgate to go along with that Alberta weather that we get here. Bedliner already installed for you, bed lights, bed hooks, and fifth wheel prep, guys. This truck is built to work from day one. Rear sliding window. In here you'll find your diesel and your DEF, nice and easily accessible. Into the rear seat on this angle, power windows in the back. Heated mirrors, blind spot detection on this one, guys. Keyless entry into here, so you can see you will have your cruise control, adjustable pedals, e-brake, power mirrors, memory seats, all that good stuff. If the truck interests you, give us a shout, 780-942-3629.